Okay, this is part 2 after a year from part 1. As you know, the lawnmower pull, it mucked up, so what I've done is where the spring and the pull was, drilled a hole, because you need this cover on, because if you don't have this cover on then it'll overheat, because there's fans in here and that are pitch cold air over the top of the engine to cool it. So if you are going to do this method, make sure that you keep this top cover, you put it back on with a hole cut in it. I bought it for £110 8 years ago on B&Q. Best lawnmower I've ever had. It's even just as good, if not better, than the Honda one that I got about 20 years ago. It didn't last too long. As you can see, it still starts. See if I can put this camera here where you can see it. And it started with a drill with, I think it's a 17mm head on it. So there you go, part 2. A wee bit long in coming, but there you go. Thank you.